All right, it's starting to rain, but check out these rims. Stay tuned to see how I get them nice and shiny. All right, hey YouTube. Today's project on my Landcruiser, making these chrome rims nice and shiny. I've already gone ahead and sprayed them with POR rust remover, just to start like a chemical reaction. Rust remover, the POR suggests that you let it soak, so I've just been letting it soak and spraying it, keeping it wet. Then I'm going to go on afterwards with this extra fine steel wool, and that should shine them right up. It's probably been wet now for maybe 20 minutes, so I'm doing this one, front wheel. I'll do a quick close-up so you can see the before and after. It's kind of hard to tell right now, it's a bit shiny. It's not as good as it looks in the video, trust me. Let's do a close-up so you can see. Close-up of the rust. So I've already sprayed the POR rust remover on, so it's already started breaking down the rust a bit. That's why it kind of looks shiny right now. Same with the fronts. All right, let's time lapse this. Okay, that's the first one scrubbed down. After time lapse, you can still see some of the rust running off. Just giving it a little more squirt of the rust remover, so I'm going to let this sit for a bit, and then we'll just hose it down with some water. Let's move on to the back one. So it's already pre-soaked. Another good thing about spraying on this prior to the steel wool is that it kind of lubricates and makes it easier to sand off. So that's why you keep seeing me spraying it. And I also clean my hands with water from time to time as well, because it gets a little sticky on the fingers. All right, time lapse number 2. All right, just started to rain, so I'm just here to give it a quick rinse. This one turned out to be the best. Still a bit in there, but for all intents and purposes, that looks awesome. Do a comparison before and after with the photos. So just a reminder, if you are using that POR spray, make sure you give it a good rinse. Get it all off and out of there. That's it. Nice. Guess I should mention, if you don't have the POR spray, just soak it in water and rub away. Helps lubricate it and kind of cleans it up as you're going along. Okay, that's the last one, all steel wool down. I'm going to let it sit for a little bit longer with some more of the POR spray, just for those tiny little pits and so on that are left. Just been going around now, each of them kind of spritzing them. And then I'm going to go around all of them again and do them one more steel wool. Will it be perfect? Nope. But will it look a lot better? Yes. And I bet if I would have taken these off, sat them flat, take the lugs off, I could get in here a lot better. But for now, I'm at a spot where I don't really have access to my jack, so yeah, it is what it is. I'll show you what it looks like at the very end. Oh yeah, quick walk around of all of them. This one's probably the worst. This one turned out pretty good. Oh yeah, did the front bumper too. It's a little dirty still, needs a spray. That's it. The Granny Mobile is ready to go back on the road.